wood plank, newer wood, that's never mind. Hey there, it's Britt, and I'm back for another special edition of The Beach Show. I can't wait to tell you all about this special one-bedroom unit we have over at Splash. One of the things that people love about this condo complex is it's on the west end of the beach, super close to Pier Park. This one bedroom has a bunk and performs very well on the rental program. It's also been equipped with energy-efficient features to help you save on that utility bill. You're going to enjoy new furniture and decor and appliances. Make sure to ask us about the rental income opportunity and all the other perks that come along with this condo. Priced at $319, we would love to show it to you.